Team Fullest. I have been getting a lot of questions on this video, so I will come back and do a sit down and really go in depth on all the questions that I have been getting. I just want to come and answer something very quickly because the questions are coming in every single day. So this is what I look like right now with my weight gain journey, and like I said, the smoothie does not replace your diet. You have to make sure you eat. For me, knowing my body type, knowing me, I know I'm somebody who lose weight faster than I gain it. So what I do now, I double up the portion of food I eat, and then the smoothie is just there to help me make the process get faster. I also got a question, someone say, yeah, but I cannot blend the banana, I just eat the banana like that. Go to the internet, do your own research. When you eat banana on its own like that and blending the banana is two different things. You get two different results. When you blend the banana, you can gain weight by just blending banana and drinking it as a smoothie than you eating banana every single day. So these are things that you have to go and do your own research. So eating banana on its own, just eating it like that, it's different. It's different than when you blend it as a smoothie for you to gain weight. So you also have to make sure you eat much more food, and the smoothie is just there to help the process faster. So the smoothie does not replace your food, does not replace your meal. The smoothie is just there to help the process faster. I also get a comment like, yeah, but I've been doing it for 2 days and I'm not seeing any result. This is not something you do for 2 days, 1 week, 2 weeks, and then expect to see results and just stop doing it and just expect your body to just look like that. No, this is something you have to be consistent with. For me, knowing that I don't gain weight easily, this is something that I'm very, very, very consistent with, and I make sure I stick to it, and I make sure also the food I take daily, I increase it. So I increase my meal, I eat more, I really push myself to eat more because I'm somebody who's also a very poor eater. I eat very poor when I make the food myself. It's different when someone cook for me than when I cook on my own. But these days I have been really pushing myself. When I'm going to work, I try to eat breakfast and make smoothie and drink it. When I'm coming back from work, I try to eat something and I make my smoothie and drink it. So I have been trying to eat little things that I know that will help me. And one thing that I've been loving is sweet potato. When I'm back from work, I like to boil one big sweet potato with hot chocolate because of course it's cold right now. Sometimes I also boil 1 or 2 eggs with it and I eat it. So the smoothie does not replace your meal. You have to eat. You have to make sure you eat. Also, you have to make sure you eat. The smoothie is just there to back up. And like I said, the smoothie is not there to replace your meal. You have to make sure you eat. And I do this smoothie twice a day, sometimes 3 times a day if I have the energy, but mostly I do it twice a day, 1 in the morning, 1 at night. Like right now it's night, I've already had my dinner. Now I try to eat like 3 or 4 course meals a day. I try breakfast in the morning, and when I'm going to work, I take snacks and I take my smoothies and I drink it at work. When I'm back from work also, I make my sweet potato and egg. Sometimes I fry the egg, sometimes I boil the egg. I eat that with me. And then in between I have small raw, I boil granules, like this raw granules. I bought it in the market and I boiled it, and I'm chewing raw granules, eating some small things. And then in the evening I force myself to eat dinner because I'm a very poor eater when I cook, but when somebody cook for me, it's a different thing. So I eat dinner, and then I also have like small snacks in between, and then just 2 or 3 hours before bed, this is when I go to the kitchen and make my smoothie. I make my smoothie, I drink this, just sit down in the living room watching TV, and then I will drink my smoothie, go upstairs, take shower, brush my teeth, and go to bed. And stuff like that. So this is something you have to be consistent. It's not something you just do 1 day, 2 days and expect to see results. So like I said, the banana, you have to blend it. Blending banana and eating banana on its own you're going to get two different results. You're not going to get the same result. Banana is different. Do your own research on the internet. Don't just rely on what I said. Like I said, you have to blend the banana with banana. You don't have to use exactly what I have, but make sure you use fruits that has a lot of fat. Avocado and banana has a lot of fat. That's the reason why I love these two fruits. And you guys can see the milk that I'm using already have 3-point-something% fat. They have different type of milk that they sell in the store. If you live in the Netherlands, we have the full milk, we have the half full milk. The half full milk is when those milk they have like ripped the fat out of it, has gone through a lot of process. That milk is doesn't really taste nice. So I prefer this one that has fat in it. But eating the banana like this and blending it are two different things. Do your own research. Just try to do your own research for stuff like this, and you have to be consistent with this thing. And sometimes what I also do, like when I'm watching a movie, instead of just getting a glass of water, I would just get 1 pack of this milk and put it in front of me, and I'll be drinking it whilst I'm chewing my boiled granuts. I'll be drinking it and I'm watching my movie. Just try different technique for me to gain weight. And I've been also going to the gym also, because I've noticed like right now I've noticed like, yes, I'm gaining weight. And my stomach, everything, my stomach is getting a little bit bigger, as you guys can see on the video. My stomach is getting a little bit bigger, not really big, but a little bit. So I've been going to the gym, trying to exercise and just trying to do things to kind of shape my body and make it really nice the way I want it. But I'm very happy with the way my weight gain journey is going. When I gain weight, my fat goes to my hips, my butt, and my face. Of course, it goes a little bit around my body as well. So I just want to come here to answer quick questions, and I will come back and do a sit down video and really go through the comments and answer most of your comments. I'm trying my best to reply to most of the comments, but some of the question I really need to sit down and answer it on videos, because even if you type million times, some people will still not get it. So I hope you get this little information that I just share on this video. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment box. I'll try to come back and sit and do a video. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Peace out. Bye.